Hey guys, today we got this Bosch battery powered angle grinder and it was sold as having no power. So let's check it out. We can see that once we plug a 10 amp source, it shows no signs of life. So let's get inside. Once we remove the top, we can remove this plastic piece and open the body up by removing the leftover screws. The first thing we'll do is a visual inspection of all the connections, looking for cold solder joints, broken wires, or corrosion. But as you can see, everything seems to be in a really good condition. As the main board is covered in black adhesive, we can start troubleshooting by measuring the 3 phases of the brushless motor. And since the voltage is present, it suggests that the issue is somewhere within the motor. So let's strip it down. And after removing the daughter board, we can measure the impedances between the coils. Now, looking at the 2 possible brushless motor topologies, we can easily tell that this is the YE type, as we can see that the phases are not shorting at the measuring points, but instead, each one sticks out at a different spot as a single wire. Knowing that, we can now assume all coils to be a short at DC, as the impedance of a coil increases with frequency. So measuring the resistance, we should measure the same resistance between any of the outside points. And as you see, only 2 of the 3 phases have a connection. So let's try and find the breakpoint, where one of the coils has detached. And fortunately for us, we can see that the coils have separated at the center point. This means we should be able to reconnect it and bring it back to life. We're going to use some leaded solder as it is less brittle and it should prevent a break like this in the future. And now that the center point is nice and shiny, we can put it all back together. And now, when we put a known working battery inside, we can see it spins back to life. So that's a success. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, make sure to sub to the channel, and if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments.